right, everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make different types of sandwiches. We have our breads over here, our meats over here, our cheeses over here, our veggies over here, and we have our condiments over here. So, let's get started on learning all the different types of bread. Here we have white bread. We have a top piece and a bottom piece. All right, let's get started with our first sandwich. Let's get started with something that you would maybe want, I don't know, in the morning. So, I love eggs in the morning. I have my meats here. Which one would you have in the morning? I would have an egg. And I want one more meat, so I'm gonna go with some bacon.
Nummy, nummy.
Check out this bacon. And you can add some veggies. We can maybe do, how about a tomato?
Yay!
A red tomato.
Wow.
Tomatoes are yummy and healthy. And you could even throw in a piece of lettuce. Green lettuce. All right, we have everything that we need in our sandwich. All we have to do is add our piece of bread on the top, just like this. And we're done. Great job, everyone. We made our first sandwich. Let's place it over here. All right, let's move on to another sandwich. Let's start with wheat bread. Wheat bread is a little bit browner than white bread. What kind of sandwich should we make now? I'm feeling like I want something kind of sweet. What should I use in my sandwich? That's right, we can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Can you find where the peanut butter and jelly is? That's right, they're right here. Here's my jelly. Grape jelly. Put it on my bread. And then the peanut butter. Brown peanut butter. And now, all I have to do is top my sandwich. Yay! We did it! We made our second sandwich. Great job, everyone. All right, let's move on to our next sandwich. All right, here's another type of bread that we can use. This is called a bread roll.
Whoa!
So, I want a sandwich that I could have for lunch. Can you help me make this sandwich? First, I'll start with a type of cheese. Can you spot the cheese?
Cheese.
That's right, these are our cheeses. Which one should I use? I like Swiss cheese. So I'm gonna add some Swiss cheese to my bread.
Yeah.
And I want to add some veggies. So I'm going to add some pickles. Green pickles. And some green cucumbers. And some tomatoes. Red juicy tomatoes.
Nummy, nummy.
And also some onions. Check out this sandwich. Now, all I have to do is close the sandwich with the bottom piece of the bread. And we did it! We made a veggie sandwich.
Yay!
Very good. All right, everyone, we have one more sandwich to make. This time, we're going to use pita bread. Pita bread is kind of like a pocket where you can put all your veggies and cheese and meat. So let's get started. This time, I want to add some condiments. Let's review our condiments. We have mustard, mayonnaise, and ketchup. yellow mustard, white mayonnaise, and red ketchup. Which one should I use? I'm gonna go with mustard and mayonnaise, because these are pretty tasty in a sandwich. So let's go ahead and add them in our pita bread. Very good. Now, I'm feeling like I want some meat in this sandwich. So let's go and see what we have. We have some bacon. We have some turkey. Some bologna. Some salami. Some roast beef. Or some ham. I'm feeling like having some turkey, so we'll go with this one. Let's add it to our pita bread.
Whoa!
All right, now let's add some cheese. We have 2 cheeses left to choose from. We can do provolone or American cheese. Which one do you like best? I like American cheese. Let's add it to our sandwich. All right, we have a few more things to add. A sandwich is great to have some veggies. We have pickles and cucumbers. Let's add these to our sandwich. And we can also add some other veggies, such as onions and lettuce. Green lettuce and red onions. Let's add them to our sandwich. Yay! We finished our sandwich. We put some turkey, some cheese, some condiments such as mustard and mayonnaise, some cucumbers and pickles, some lettuce, and some onions. Great job, everyone! We made 4 sandwiches today.
Whoa!
Don't these look so delicious? Which one was your favorite? The breakfast sandwich, the peanut butter and jelly, the lunch sandwich, or the pita wrap? I think my favorite was the pita wrap, just because it was so fun to make. All right, I'm gonna eat my sandwich now. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time. Hey, did you know you could leave me a comment? Leave me one below to say hi. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.